We are looking at how to pronounce those words, as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing vocabulary in English too, so make sure to stay tuned for those. So those two words look rather similar, they're spelled rather similarly, but they have a different meaning and a different pronunciation. They are not homophones. The one at the top is said as hobby, hobby, so your mouth has to be rather open to say the ha sound. The bottom word is said as hubby, hubby, as in husband, so your mouth has to be more closed for that sound here, her sound here, hubby, or hobby, hobby, so for hobby, the one at the top, your mouth has to be more open, hobby versus hubby. And now you know. Did you get this? Could you hear the difference? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting words whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.